and CEO of Ready to Hang Art. I'm here to share with you our brand new youth outreach program, Minor Masters. If you haven't heard about it, well, it's a pretty exciting venture for Ready to Hang Art. We've recreated our entire mission to become a company of change. And what that means is that we are going to repurpose and recycle all of our wasted scrap material, and we are going to create these amazing art kits for children. And come with me on this little journey and see what those art kits include. We created our first prototype. We've donated 200 bags to 4 different nonprofit organizations this year. And what each of these beautiful little bags full of love include is an 8x10 canvas, which you can see here, all hand stretched. So all of the canvas, all of the wood is from our excess material from our manufacturing. We've also invested, we sponsor any product that's not of our recycled materials. Ready to Hang Art is sponsoring, and we pay for it ourselves. So this first art kit comes with this paint pod set that has 2, 4, 6, 8 different little color pods. And of course, what's paint without paintbrushes? So you have 2 different paintbrushes, one that's a little bit more of a thin top, and the other one that has a bit of a flatter tip, so that you have the ability to have different textures. And last but not least, what is an art kit without an art lesson? So super excited to share that we partnered with North Carolina-based artist Andrena Bates, and she has designed and created the most adorable reindeer and dressed him up for the holidays. So you can visit readytohangart.com and click on Minor Masters. I actually pulled my laptop off here. So I'm at readytohangart.com, right to the Minor Masters page. So if you go to our website, you'll see the About tab. Click on Minor Masters. It'll take you to this page, gives you some resources and just general information on our program, how it works. And then you'll see there's a little button here that'll take you straight to the lesson. So let's go straight to that lesson there. It gives you a little synopsis, again, on this specific lesson, and then it takes you to a full video. Click on the video, and it's about a 15-minute long art class. I, of course, recommend watching it, pausing it, taking your time so that you could really make the best out of the class. We also share a little color mixing guide, and there's a more in-depth one on our website under resources. So thank you for supporting our small business. Thank you for following along with our mission and being a company of change. And cheers.